Welcome, from me is a Doogee X80, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and add the toggle to our toggles that exist here. So you want to do it by tapping on the pencil right here, and from here you should see it right here for me. At least that's where it is for me. So you want to hold it, it will kind of lift up, and from here simply drag it up above, and then go back, and you should see it. As you can see, now it's here. So before you actually tap on it to enable it, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where you can customize things like the password. So let's go to the Wi-Fi hotspot, and from here set up Wi-Fi hotspot. And as you can see, there is the network name. So this is going to be the name of the Wi-Fi that is going to be shown in a list that you will be looking for, and you can change it to whatever else you want. And then we have the password. Now password needs to have at least 8 characters in length, and by default it's just some randomly generated sequence. So I'm gonna remove this one and set my own. As you can see, 1 through 8 should be good enough, super secure. And then below that we have the AP band. Now not sure why it gives us a drop down menu if there's only one option, but on some other devices you also have the 5 GHz one, which will be better. And then below that we have the maximum users that can connect to your hotspot, and it looks like it's set to 6, but you can change it from 1 to 10 depending on how many you need. I'm gonna go with single person right here, and from there, once everything is set, tap on save, and now we can enable it either from here or from here as well. And simply you just need to find the X80 Wi-Fi and connect to it using the password that you have set. And also it will give you a notification right here how many users are connected and how many you are blocking. And once you're done with it, you do want to turn it off. It looks like there's nothing that will turn it off automatically, so it will be draining your battery faster with hotspot being enabled. So I suggest once you're not using it to simply disable it, and you do it by tapping on it. So that is how you would set it up, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.